Hello everyone and welcome to the Ninja Forms 3 discovery videos. This is video number 6 and today what I want to show you is the Undo Changes Manager. I believe this is one of the, in Ninja Forms 3 anyway, the never before seen features. I've not seen this in any other form builder and it is crucial to the form building experience, especially if you're administrating forms on large sites or with many maybe different people changing things or just any number of scenarios. And this feature is something we hope to enhance a lot in the future. The Undo Changes Manager lets you track the changes throughout the form building experience and gives you the ability to undo on a individual level. So let's show you a little bit of how that works. You'll notice here that this is grayed out. I can't click on it. It is not a changed form yet. So I can go ahead and start making changes. My form has currently 6 fields. That's a little long. I think people might be avoiding filling it out. So I'm going to make some changes to my form. I'm going to go ahead and delete the first name. I'm going to go ahead and change this label to just say name, because I figure that's good enough than having 2 fields for that. And the reason for contacting me is cumbersome. I should be able to discern that from the message unless I was triggering it based on this for some reason. But for now, let's just go ahead and we're going to experiment with that. Now you'll notice there's this new icon next to the publish button, this kind of histories manager, and it lists the changes that I made. I removed first name, I changed the label from last name to name, and the reason for contacting me. I could also move the fields around, so if I say decided that I wanted for some reason the message before the email address, I could change that and you'd see the field message was reordered from 5 to 2. But I'm going to go ahead and put that back for now, and you can see that that change was made as well. But it's not just your fields changes that are being tracked. So I can actually go into my emails and actions and decide that I want to send an email. I could go into that email and make some changes to it. So let's go ahead and change the to address to me@me.com. Let's go ahead and add an advanced CC to them@them.com. Now if I open up my Undo Changes Manager, you'll see some changes that have been made. I changed active from off to on. I changed the to email address, as you can see, and I've changed the CC email address from empty to having a value. I could also say I don't want to save this action, so you can see this update live. I don't want to change the save to the database, so I'll just disable that, and it changes active from on to off. And so you can do this throughout the entire form building experience. And the reason this is super important is you may make a change and then 20, 30 changes down the road realize one of them was a mistake. And so you either have to re-add a field or kind of retrace your steps. And it's so much easier with this. So I took away the reason for contacting me. And I decided I really think I need to keep that. So I'm going to go ahead and just undo it. And there it is, reason for contacting me. Now I moved a lot of things around, so it tries to preserve it if it can, but if it can't, it's just drag it right back into position. And now you can see that the reason for contacting me was removed, so it's like it was never taken away, and then I reordered it from 4 to 3. So these are just some of the things that you can do with that. You can actually go in and say, you know what, I've been working on this form, and I don't like any of the changes right now. I'm not ready to publish any of them, so I'm just going to undo all. And now you can see my form is right back the way it was when I started. This is a really cool feature and it has huge implications in the future to managing teams and managing forms as a whole. We hope you like this feature. And if you'd like to try it out for yourself, you can head on over to 3.ninjaforms.com. That's THREE.ninjaforms.com and test this feature for yourself. And next video will show you the sandboxed forms, which correlates really closely with this Undo Changes Manager. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time.